Petals, welcome back to another video with me, and today we got something really exciting, and it is something that has been going viral on TikTok and I really wanted to get my hands on it. Yes, it is the Sky Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. This is how the packaging looks like, and I love the simplicity of this packaging, and I love how they lay out their name of the brand, Sky High, at the front. I really like that, and I love the color, but it's not about the packaging, it's about the performance of the product. All right, this mascara claims to give you super lengthening lashes and super volumizing lashes as well. Okay, I'm just going to open up the product to show you how the brush looks like. Now, if you look at the brush here, it is a very flexible, bendable brush. Don't worry, my hands are clean. The brush is known as a flex tower brush, and it helps to blend your lashes together, and it also claims that it's suitable for sensitive eyes, and if you're someone who wear contact lenses, and then it's also safe for contact lenses, and if you're someone who is concerned about the environment, which it should be, it is also recyclable packaging. I bought this from Superdrug, and when they initially launched this mascara, it was £9.99, and you're paying £9.99 for 100 ml, but now there's an offer going on Superdrug for £7.99. So after this review, if you feel like, yes, this is my kind of mascara, then you're getting a bargain here for £7.99. That's like a decent price for a drugstore makeup. So this is before, and I haven't actually curled anything or I haven't done anything to my lashes because I want to see how this product works. Now, I'm going to put the first coat in. So this is the first coat, and this just looks like a normal lengthening mascara to me right now. Now there's nothing like wow about it. This is just the first coat, so I'm not going to judge it based on the first coat because I usually put 2 to 3 coats to see how the mascara performs. Now I'm going to go with my second coat. So this is the second coat, and compared to this eye and this eye, you can see it's definitely giving me a bit of a curl and a lift. So if you look a bit closely, you can see that my lashes are now beginning to look volumizing. So I'm wondering if I should go with the third one. Shall we see? So this is the third coat.
If you want a natural look, you can stop from the second layer. But I just want to try the third layer and see what extent does it perform. And I'm quite actually really happy. If you compare the first eye and the other eye without the mascara, you can see there's clearly a lot of volume.
I think it's a really nice lengthening mascara for sure. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put it on my other eye. This one is giving me a completely different look. Can you see that? It's very different to this one. I actually like just having the first coat. What do you guys think? I think for an everyday look, I would definitely go with one layer. I wouldn't go with 3 layers for work because it does look a bit dramatic, but one layer, I think it will work really fine for me. I can't really talk and put mascara at the same time, but I feel like this is the only wand that helped me to get some sort of length in my bottom lashes. Now, if you've been following me for some time, I don't really put any mascara on my bottom lash because I tend to mess it up because I don't have a lot of hair there. And this is the only mascara that's actually giving me some bottom lashes, and this managed to actually give me some sort of length. Now some might say that that's not long, but for me that is actually quite long for my bottom lashes because I struggle to get long lengthy lash look to the bottom lash, and this wand is great, guys, especially for your bottom lash and to get to the corners of your eyelashes. I forgot to put the third layer to this side. So I'm going to go ahead and put the third layer on. Okay, so I put a third layer on to both of my eyes, and in terms of its performance, yes, it's giving me a lengthy look, but it's not giving me a super volumizing look. I mean, some may say, yeah, it looks volumizing. It is sort of, but the more you apply, it's going to give you that clumpy look. I think it's like that with any mascara. But this clumpiness, I actually don't mind. The clumpiness I got from the Legit Lash mascara from Huda Beauty, that clumpiness, I didn't really like it. But this one, I don't mind. And some mascaras, the more you apply, your lashes feels very heavy. With this one, you hardly feel like you're wearing mascara. If you're someone who wants a super volumizing mascara, I don't think this is that mascara. It gives you volume and length, but for a drugstore brand, it is definitely performing really well, and I would say this is a dupe for Huda Beauty's Legit Lashes, and it's cheap, and it used to be $9.99, it's $7.99. I'm actually pleased that I wanted to review this product because I'm definitely impressed by the brush. It's very flexible and it gets to the corners of your eye, and especially the bottom lashes, as you guys saw that I was struggling to apply, and this really helped me. The brush helped me to put that mascara to the bottom, and the flexibility of the brush is great as well, and that's probably why it gave me like a really lifted look. And overall, I'm actually really pleased with this mascara, and I think this mascara will probably be like an everyday mascara that I wear for work. And maybe if I want to look a bit glammed up, I would go with 3 coats. But if you want like an everyday super lengthening look, then I'll just use 1 or 2 coats. Do let me know in the comments below if you enjoyed this review, and if you want me to try any other review, do comment down below the products that you want me to try out. So hopefully you guys found this video really useful. If you're new to my channel, please remember to subscribe, like and comment, and until next time, bye.